So you unscrew this and you pull that off, and then there's the top of your filter. Hopefully you got a bucket. Nasty. This is your wrench. Goes around the little flanges. Definitely need a pipe wrench extender. Alright, so then you take this part out. There's all the rust and sediment, nasties. Don't make it into your house. And it gets filtered inside of there. Then you use your new one. With these videos, everybody's always opening things with one hand, so it's really not so much a video on how to do stuff, but how to open stuff with one hand, I found. And if you can't open it with one hand, you'll have to open it with a knife. So, sorry about this boring bit. I'll edit this out, of course. Maybe not. Alright, so you got your filter out, packaging, and it's unidirectional. So, maybe it's unidirection. I don't know. I think it's unidirectional. Nope, works both directions. So, drop it in, pour out your mess first. Hang on. Remember, the new clean water is going to go through the center of this, so that's protected. There's that one little bit at the bottom you want to get out and clean. So it's set, that little flange in the bottom. I don't know if you can see it. There it is. This is going to set right on top of that. Make sure it's not bumped up. Alright, that's all there is to it. So now it should be clean water only in this hole. And then back in place. And then turn it backwards a couple turns to hear it click. I think that was it. And once it clicks, it's threaded. These are the flanges I was talking about. So I think the important part is when you put it back together, only do this, don't use your wrench again, just use your fingers and do this finger tight, because if you put it on here with a wrench, you're going to have a hard time getting it off on the other end. Alright, so finger tight, and then kick your water back out and see how it goes. Good luck with that. Welcome to the basement. What we got here? Emergency air conditioner. That's good. Get this pipe, there's a pipe. Get this, this is like a mast from a sailboat. What is that doing here? And then there's other bits. There's there's the heater, like water supply, the door, and the UV light. Over there, the dehumidifier, right there.
This is the end of Lesson 2. In Lesson 3, you will learn more about gender and agreement, and learn to talk about where people are from and to describe people and things. You will also learn some useful Spanish verbs.